Okay, they've tried to replace little cartridges in here multiple times, and it's simply not working. That's the cold dripping. That's how bad the hot is. That's how bad the hot is. So we're just replacing a little faucet here. This is a commercial kitchen. Oh, that looks bad. That looks bad. Okay, we got all that off, clean that as good as possible. So now you have these, and the way this goes is that goes up against it, that goes on top, and then the locking nut goes like that. Pretty simple. Alright, now we're going to put these 90s on here, some brass nipples. Hopefully those are long enough. But they use galvanized, whoever installed this originally. Alright. to clean off all this caulking here. Try to make it look nice. Alright, that's about as good as I can get that. This is a little loose. A lot loose. Oh no, don't tell me it's... Oh no, it just needed to be tightened. They used an actual ferrule on that versus a slip joint washer. I guess technically that's a little more proper with copper DWV. Alright, let's put this back on. Probably need to tighten this stuff up a little bit. Put a little Lexel around the outside, not too much. No leaks. Alright, that's it.